Welcome to Digitizing.com, where creativity meets precision, your one-stop destination for all things digitizing. Digitizing.com offers the best online custom embroidery, digitizing, and vector art services. We provide high-quality work at the lowest prices with quick turnaround. We can convert any logo, design, image, or artwork into your required file format. Pay easily with PayPal or a credit debit card. If you need our services at a discounted price, please feel free to contact support at digitizing.com or visit the website digitizing.com. Now let's see and learn about
how to clean and oil your embroidery machine. Embroidery machines are a significant investment for businesses and hobbyists alike. Proper maintenance, including cleaning and oiling, is essential to keep your machine running smoothly, extend its lifespan, and ensure consistent high-quality embroidery. Neglecting regular upkeep can lead to costly repairs, breakdowns, and interruptions in your projects. This guide will help you understand the steps to effectively clean and oil your embroidery machine, ensuring its peak performance. Why cleaning and oiling is crucial? Embroidery machines operate at high speeds, and their intricate mechanisms can accumulate dust, lint, and residue from threads and fabric. Over time, this buildup can hinder the machine's performance, leading to skipped stitches, uneven tension, or even complete malfunctions. Oiling the machine minimizes friction between moving parts, reducing wear and tear, and enhancing overall efficiency. Regular cleaning and oiling not only safeguard your investment, but also save you time and money in the long run. Tools you'll need. Before you start, gather the following tools and supplies: a soft lint-free cloth or microfiber cloth, a small brush often included with the machine, or a clean makeup brush, compressed air, optional for hard-to-reach areas, machine-specific sewing machine oil, check your manual for recommendations, screwdriver if needed to remove covers, step-by-step cleaning process. 1. Turn off and unplug the machine. Safety is paramount. Always turn off and unplug your embroidery machine before cleaning to avoid accidents or damage. 2. Remove thread and accessories. Take out the thread spool, bobbin, and needle. If your machine has a removable embroidery hoop, detach it as well. 3. Access the bobbin area. Open the bobbin case area, as this is a common spot for lint and dust accumulation. Use the small brush to gently clean the area, removing all debris. Avoid using compressed air directly in this area, as it can push lint further into the machine. 4. Clean the feed dogs and needle plate. If necessary, remove the needle plate using a screwdriver. Clean underneath the plate and around the feed dogs to remove any trapped lint or fabric particles. 5. Wipe down the exterior. Using a lint-free cloth, wipe down the exterior of the machine to remove dust and fingerprints. Step-by-step oiling process 1. Check your machine's manual. Not all embroidery machines require oiling, and some modern models have self-lubricating systems. Always consult your machine's manual to identify oiling points and the recommended oil type. 2. Apply oil to designated areas. Using the provided oiling instructions, apply a small amount of sewing machine oil to the indicated parts. Common areas include the bobbin hook and other moving parts inside the machine. Be careful not to over-oil, as excess oil can attract lint and dirt. 3. Test the machine. After oiling, manually turn the hand wheel a few times to distribute the oil evenly. Then reassemble the machine, replace the needle, and thread it. Run a test stitch on a scrap piece of fabric to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Maintenance tips for longevity. Clean after every use. For heavy use, clean the bobbin area and needle plate after each session. Use high-quality threads. Poor quality threads can leave more lint and residue inside the machine. Regular professional servicing. Schedule annual professional maintenance to address deeper issues and ensure optimal performance. Store properly. Keep your machine covered when not in use to prevent dust buildup. Conclusion. Regular cleaning and oiling are simple yet vital tasks that keep your embroidery machine in excellent condition. By dedicating a few minutes to maintenance, you can avoid unnecessary downtime, achieve superior embroidery results, and prolong your machine's life. Make it a habit to care for your machine, and it will reward you with years of reliable service.
If you are looking for high-quality embroidery digitizing, then Digitizing.com is your perfect partner for precision and excellence. Digitizing.com offers the best online custom embroidery, digitizing, and vector art services. We provide high-quality work at the lowest prices with quick turnaround. We can convert any logo, design, image, or artwork into your required file format. Pay easily with PayPal or a credit debit card. If you need our services at a discounted price, please feel free to contact support at digitizing.com or visit the website digitizing.com. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video.